Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing this energy steering wheel. Well, can't really tell if it's energy because I put this smiley face on. I guess it's from Walmart. But it says energy right there, but we're going to replace this because it's a little too skinny for my hands. I don't know, I got long fingers, so like fingers, they curve into my hand. They like dig in. So yeah, plus time for something new. And this shift knob, shit, if I can take it off, Andrew made this a long time ago. It was on his RX-7FC, but took it off, gave it to me, and I just have a 240, so the 240 lug nut thread pitches are the same thing as on here, which is M12 by 125, I believe. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, I just jammed the lug nut in there, and it worked. Worked for a little bit. So we're gonna take this off first. Just make sure your wheel is straight. Well, DND Performance Interior. Tell by the title. We also got something else in this little box. Here's your steering wheel. DND suede. It's a gray stitching. Honestly, I think the red stitching is kind of tacky, so I got the gray stitching. But big difference. Not so big of a difference, but yeah, I got that. This up here. And then they sent me a carbon fiber warm button. It's cool. It says DND Performance Interior on it. I'm gonna put that on. Also, just a normal lanyard. And they also provided the Allen key for the steering wheel bolts, or steering wheel screws, and then just wiring for your horn or anything. Then they gave me 4 stickers, or no, 3 stickers. This one has like some purple glitter to it, which is pretty nice. I'm gonna put that on actually. They gave me 2 of those. And then they gave me just a normal white decal. And then an air freshener. It's all inside the box. Oh yeah. And this one. You guys stoked? Oh, I'm stoked. Check this out. Red carbon fiber shift knob from DND. Check that out. It's pretty cool. Matches the red on here. That's why I got it in the first place. Oh, shit. It's a tool bag. That's all I need. But anyways, the shift knobs should just screw right on. At least it should. Alright, well, so the logo is upside down, the thread pitch is all the way, so I might have to run a nut on the bottom, just like that, just to have it facing me. But yeah, it's good. It says UO instead of DND. Anyways, that's good. Oh, that shit's a lot better. Holy shit, dude. Whoa. Difference is day and night. let's do the steering wheel, because I'm excited for that. This energy one that I have, I had to go buy bolts for it, for screws, so the size is going to be a little different. 6 bolts, or 6 screws on the steering wheel. Wish I had one of those screwdrivers right now. Yeah, I don't know what else to get to this car. I really want a seat delete in the rear, the LRV speed one, but I don't know yet. And also want the other LRV door panels, because I don't know, just the Lexus door panels are kind of shitty. They're not shitty in general, they're just shitty because they're old. You know, like, over time they just deteriorate. But yeah, I've seen this guy on Facebook that sells carbon fiber overlays for that. So I'm thinking I might just wrap it gloss black, because I don't want to pay whatever I'm asking for. Plus, if I don't like it, then I'm stuck with it. We got a little problem with the horn button. I'm not necessarily sure how to make this stay. Look at it. Fold it up. No. This is the lowest of it. I might choose this. It's gonna look ugly for now, but it beats having that little horn or little hole right there. Yes. I was thinking of just throwing that in there, or with this one. Nope. Well, it's a bummer that I'll be able to use this. It's not. I'm gonna have to find a way. But for right now, this should work. The smile face is still there. That's I think I'm gonna use my oil bolts, because I think they're a little longer. Just hand tighten them now. Just trail line, top and the bottom, so everything's aligned. You always tighten the crisscross pattern.
Try a couple times just to see if it's new, make sure it's flat, make it a little tug. Now just put it in there.
And that's it. Pretty much everything's installed. Just gotta clean up old shift now. Start it there for now. Ow. I'm gonna throw the old wood grain steering wheel in here. Throw that in there. Put the wiring. Get this in there. That's pretty much it. Actually, what else is up? This part of the shifter just came off because the directions said to use Loctite on these threads, but I want to take it off someday. So I'm just gonna turn it down as much as I can. Alright, well now the DND is that way, but it's whatever. Extended this a little bit. Here's what it looks like. Alright, so here's what this looks like. This little contraption that I made. Like that. But that's a DND shift knob. Take this out so it looks a lot cleaner. This is the DND steering wheel. I didn't use my old energy, what you call it, horn button face thing, because it didn't work. But yeah, it looks really nice. I like it. Like this. See, this fits my hand a whole lot better. I can actually see. Like the other steering wheel, like it would dig into my nails, or my nails would dig into my palm. But this, alright, well my camera cut off, but yeah, perfect for my hands. Nice. But yeah, that's installed today, but I think I'm gonna try to clean these carpets, the floor mats, because this is dirty. That one's not as dirty because no one sits there, but I just want to clean it. Maybe clean up the interior a little bit, because like that. And that's why I want to get those LRB seat deletes, because my back seats are kind of ripped. But yeah, I also want to do the these Rolls Royce headliner. I'm gonna keep the same color, tan or beige, whatever you guys call it. But I'm trying to do that soon. Just gotta order it. But yeah, it looks a lot better. With the bright seats. I still haven't taken the plastic off of this. Maybe one day. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see any more SC videos, because I ordered a lot more parts lately. So thanks. Deuces.